What is stress and how does it affect our body? What is stress? Stress is the body's response to pressure, threats, or changes. The body activates an emergency response system. How does stress show up in the body? When we enter a stressful situation, the hypothalamus in the brain is instantly activated. This area controls many processes in the body. It sends a signal to the adrenal glands, which then release adrenaline, noradrenaline, and cortisol into the bloodstream. What do these hormones do? Adrenaline speeds up the heart rate, raises blood pressure, and makes us more alert. Noradrenaline enhances brain activity and helps us make quick decisions. Cortisol. This one works longer term. It mobilizes energy, suppresses the immune system, and slows down some unimportant processes like digestion. What happens to the blood vessels? During stress, blood vessels constrict. This helps blood flow faster to the brain and muscles, making us ready for action. But if stress becomes chronic, the vessels don't relax properly, leading to increased blood pressure. The heart works harder. Risk of atherosclerosis. Cholesterol builds up on damaged blood vessels. Vessel spasms in the brain. These can cause headaches and impair cognitive function. How does stress affect the blood? During stress, the blood becomes thicker. This is an evolutionary mechanism. If we get injured, the blood clots faster, so we lose less fluid. But in modern life, this leads to increased risk of blood clots, thrombosis, slower blood circulation, which can cause chronic fatigue, reduced oxygen supply to organs, especially the brain. What happens to the immune system? Cortisol released during stress suppresses the immune system. This means the body has a harder time dealing with viruses and bacteria. The risk of inflammatory processes increases. Wounds heal slower and recovery after exertion is delayed. Examples of how stress affects the body: headaches and migraines caused by blood vessel spasms and high blood pressure. Digestive issues. Chronic stress can lead to gastritis or irritable bowel syndrome. Muscle tension. Constant muscle tightness causes pain in the back and neck. Sleep problems. The brain stays in a state of